Okay, welcome to my unboxing of this random mishmash of stuff. These are just really small sort of products that are going to be in my build. So let's start off with the fans. Let's just move these aside. So these are SP120 fans. These are the high performance editions. These spin at 2,350 RPM and they make 35 decibels of sound. Yep, so let's get this opened. Okay, so there's one, and down bottom. Here's the other page. Oh no! Oh, everything's falling apart. Okay, so here's the fan. It's a 120mm fan. It's got a nice blue ring on the outside, and inside the box you have your assortment of a white ring or a red ring. So if you've got a color themed build, then you can just change the colors, swap them out, do all that sort of stuff. In here you have 3-pin connector with some screws. Yep, that's pretty much that. It's pretty much the same thing in this box, so no need to do that one. So let's move these aside. Next up, we've got our Vengeance low profile RAM, 16 gigabytes of it. So let's open these up. So in here, a little cardboard tube, warranty, little slip. You have your actual RAM itself. You have 4 sticks of it. These are 4 gigabyte DIMMs. These are underclocked a little, so less power consumption. So let's open one of these up. These are really heavy, considering how light they look. This is a metal heat spreader, so it sort of adds quite a bit of weight to it. There's a nice little sticker there. Yep, that's where your DIMM slot there. You just pop it down into your motherboard. So next, let's move these out of the way. Next, we have our Samsung 830 series 256GB SSD. This is my boot drive, so let's open this up, break this bad boy open. And here we have interactive manual and Magician software. Yep. We have a little quick start guide. We have the actual SSD itself. As you can see, this little orange thing, it says 256 gigabytes. It's very nice brush metal finish. You have your SATA power and SATA data plugs, so let's just move that on. Finally, I have the 2 WD green drives, the 3 terabyte drives. Now, just open this up. Ooh. So we've got right here, very shiny front. On the back you have your little PCB for the SATA connectors. I don't actually know what that is, but I'll find out soon. Yeah, pretty much the same thing on each one. So thank you for watching my unboxing of this random mishmash of technology. Please subscribe and like this video.